Okay? Next up is arithmetic means. So what do you mean by the word mean? So basically, mean means the average. So if we have a problem here, but we were going to focus the same also with arithmetic sequence. So we are not going to forget the formula of our arithmetic sequence, which is a sub 1 is equals to a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. So here, I have a problem. Insert two arithmetic means between 4 and 19 that is found on your grade 10 modules, module number 3. So what we're going to do here, so the same, we're going to use our formula. Okay? So our formula is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. So if we can observe here that the problem states that we have to insert two. Okay, we have to insert two terms in between our 4 and 19. So we have 4 insert between, so we will have to insert 1, 2, because we're going to insert 2 arithmetic means between 4 and 19. So basically the sequence states that we have 4 terms now after inserting our 2 arithmetic means. So the sequence goes like this: 4, a sub 2, a sub 3, and our 19. So we now have our information, and let us use that information to solve for our 2 arithmetic means. What we're going to do before we can insert 2 arithmetic means is we're going to solve first for the common difference. So how to solve for the common difference? Our a sub n is the last term, which is 19. Equals, our a sub 1 is the first term, which is 4. Plus, n is the number of terms. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 minus 1. The common difference is still unknown. So just write D. Simplify. 19 is equals to 4 plus 4 minus 1. That is, 4 minus 1 is 3. Times D is 3D. Okay? This might confuse you. So that is 3 times D. Then simplify. 19 is equals to 4. 3 times D is, there you go, that is 3D. Then, rewrite this one. That becomes 19 minus 4 is equals to 3D. 19 minus 4 is equals to 15 is equals to 3D. Divide by 3 both sides. So therefore, our common difference is equals to 5. So that is our common difference. After we have solved for the common difference, which is 5, we're going to use that 5, that information, to solve for our second and our third term. So all we have to do, since that is the common difference, what we're going to do is just add our 5 to our 4. So what is 5 plus 4? This is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. So therefore, the 2 arithmetic means inserted between 4 and 19 is 9 and 14. Okay? So that is what do you mean by arithmetic means. Another example. So, shorten lang nato ang ato arithmetic means, that is AM. Okay, that does not mean that is morning, but that means arithmetic means. So, on example number 2, problem number 2, we're going to insert 3 arithmetic means between 3 and 11. So, Again, we have now our 3 as our first term. How many arithmetic means? 3. 1, 2, 3, and our last term is 11. Use the formula. A sub n is equals to A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, quantity of n minus 1. Our A sub n is 11 is equals, first term is 3 plus, plus n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1, common difference is ano? 11 is equals to 3, 5 minus 1 is 4 times d. 11 is equals to 3 plus 4d. Rewrite this or transpose. 11 minus 3 is equals to 4d. 11 minus 3 is equals to 8 is equals to 4d over 4. And therefore, our d is equals to, should be cancelled, 2. Our common difference is 2. So what we're going to do with our common difference 2? Just add that here. So therefore, that becomes 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So that is very easy, finding for the common difference. Just remember always, the formula is A sub n is equals to A sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So that's how easy to solve for the arithmetic means.